Quota sampling is a sampling method that shares certain goals with stratified sampling, particularly the aim of capturing diversity across specific subgroups. However, the fundamental difference lies in how the sample is selected. While stratified sampling relies on random selection from each subgroup, quota sampling allows researchers to directly control who is recruited by actively seeking participants to fill predetermined quotas based on certain characteristics such as age, gender, education level, or income. Once the quota for each subgroup is filled, no further participants from that group are recruited, ensuring that the final sample meets the predetermined criteria for representation. One of the main advantages of quota sampling is that it guarantees the inclusion of specific subgroups in the sample. By setting quotas for each group, the researcher ensures that the final sample reflects the desired characteristics or proportions, which is particularly important when the goal of the research is to compare different groups. Another key benefit of quota sampling is its efficiency. Since the researchers can directly seek out participants who meet the required criteria, the process can be completed more quickly and at a lower cost than methods like stratified sampling. Moreover, quota sampling offers a greater degree of control over the composition of the sample. The researcher can adjust the quotas based on the needs of the study, ensuring that specific groups are represented according to the study's objectives. Despite its advantages, quota sampling also has several limitations, the most significant of which is the potential for bias. Since participants are not selected randomly, there is a risk that the sample may not accurately represent the broader population even if the quotas are met. The recruitment process is subjective as it relies on the researcher's judgment and outreach methods, which can introduce selection bias. This lack of randomization means that the results from a quota sample may not be generalizable to the larger population, especially if certain characteristics or perspectives are overlooked during recruitment. Additionally, quota sampling can lead to incomplete representation within each subgroup. While the researcher may set quotas based on broad characteristics like age or gender, another important factor may not be considered. This can result in a sample that, while meeting the quota criteria, lacks internal diversity within the subgroups, which can limit the depth and richness of the data collected. Another challenge with quota sampling is that it requires detailed knowledge of the population beforehand. The researcher must have a clear understanding of the proportions of different groups within the population to set accurate quotas. This can be difficult if reliable demographic data is not available, or if the population is highly fragmented or diverse in ways that are not easily captured by simple quotas. Quota sampling is best suited for studies where the primary goal is to compare specific groups or ensure representation across key subgroups. It is commonly used in market research, opinion polling, and social research, where researchers need to gather data quickly and cost-effectively while ensuring that certain groups are represented. This method is also useful in studies where strict randomization is not feasible or necessary. For example, in research involving focus groups or interviews, where the goal is to gather in-depth insights from specific subgroups, quota sampling allows the researcher to select participants who fit the desired profile without the logistical complexities of random selection.